So I'm currently learning how to eat from chopsticks. And one thing I've learned is if you start eating everything from chopsticks, you'll get the hang of it quickly. So here we are eating makhanas with chopsticks. Not bad. Hi guys, I just shot this makeup look for Instagram and now I'm really hungry. It's 4 o'clock, so it's kind of late lunch, but I want to have some lunch. I have some leftovers from last night, so I'm gonna heat that up. Then we're gonna do set up our vanity. The storage unit is ready. I just need to put everything together, and then I have to do some meal prep for dinner. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's go. I have some dal. I have some leftover dal from last night. And I also have some rice. I think this is enough. So I'm gonna heat it up. That's my lunch. I put that little coriander leaf for the vibes. Let's eat. I'm gonna watch some Ginny and Georgia while I enjoy this scrumptious lunch. I'm using the Foxtail brightening lip balm in light mauve glaze. It's such a nice shade. Okay, so this is the vanity. It's built. My lovely husband built it for me. It has like these three drawers, and I also got this from Amazon. So these are like acrylic uh, organizers. So it has like these different sizes for your different things. So you can put like your blushes, your lipsticks. So I think it has three of this size. One of them more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 5. So 5 of these. Then there's a bigger size, this size, and then there's an even bigger size, which is this one. Okay, so let's start organizing now. Good morning, Hero. Hero's enjoying the view. This is what I start my day with. Actually, I start my day with the lemon and hot water. And then I have some nuts. So this is almonds and dates. I already had one. So I have 2 dates and around 5 to 6 almonds. I'm currently boiling some eggs for my breakfast. I have some bread here, which I'm going to put in the toaster. And I'm drinking this disgusting green juice, which I think it's supposed to be good for your liver. It's from Kapiva. It tastes horrible. I don't know how I'm gonna finish the bottle. Yeah, this is where we are at this morning. This is so good. Look at that shade. So good. I have such a bad bitter taste in my mouth because of that juice. Really hungry. Let's make breakfast. did I tell you about eating with chopsticks? You eat everything with chopsticks. So I didn't end up doing my vanity yesterday. The weather got really gloomy and the lighting was very off. I could have done it, but I wanted to shoot it for the vlog. So I didn't do it. I'm going to do it today. The weather is nice, the lighting is nice, and I need to get rid of all this mess in this room and get it sorted. So today is the day we're gonna finish it. Let's do it together. I'm going through Malvika Sitlani's vanity tour video just to see how she has organized and how she has bifurcated all the categories, which helps. Ta-da! It's the next day, guys, and we are done with our vanity. You know what? I used to watch all these YouTube videos of creators doing their vanity tour and setting up their vanity, and I always wanted to have something of my own, like a vanity setup. And today we have our own setup. I'm so happy with it. I added a little rug also here. So it's not complete as of yet. Like, I do want to add more things. I want to add a bigger mirror here so that I can do my makeup here. So let me give you a little vanity tour. First of all, I've added a rug here. I love the look of this. This is from IKEA. I showed you in my last vlog. And this is the vanity top, the tabletop area. I've added some perfumes here. These are my everyday perfumes. The ceramic tray is from Amazon. Even this one is from Amazon. And look at it, it's so cute. It's in the shape of a shell. So I've kept this to keep like my everyday jewelry, whatever I take off. So if I'm taking off a ring or a earring, I can just put it here. These are my brushes. This is again from IKEA. This container has my everyday jewelry again. So this is very old. I got this from Amazon only. I've added my earrings and rings and some watches which I wear. And this is a little tray here. I've added a Bath and Body Works candle. There's a hand cream. This is an SPF. I just used it. I've added a mirror here and some Q-tips. And then let me take you through. Oh, there's a plant also here. So I had this stand from my old home. I don't know what to do with it right now, so I've just added a plant and kept it here. If I need to store something, I can just put it in the racks below. Now let me show you the first drawer. So this is how it looks. I love that it's so organized. In the previous clips you would have seen I've added my foundations here. These are my skin tints and primers, concealers, loose powders. These are all the eye pencils, eyebrow gels, mascaras. These are all the blushes. These are all blushes and bronzers here. I've added some powder puffs there. So this is what is there in the first drawer. Let me show you the second one. The second one has all my lipsticks. So what I've done is I've bifurcated them into nude brown category and the deeper darker category. I reach out to this section most. So I've kept it in the front and that one in the back. These are all the lip liners. These are all the eyeshadows and eyeshadow palettes. So we have Huda Beauty here. What is it? Let me fix it quickly. Yeah. So this is the Huda Beauty, the Simply Numb palette. There are some single eyeshadows also here. Then here I have all my lip balms. These are some lip glosses. These are some travel size perfumes, which are very convenient to just throw in your bag whenever you're going out. Then see, these are some clutchers and some hair ties. I've kept it in this little basket. I got it from somewhere. Then the last drawer. Last drawer is more of storage. So I have some travel pouches here, which has sheet masks and all of that. I have some wipes here. This is a jewelry drawer again. This has all my ethnic, like oxidized jewelry, which I don't use as often, so I've kept it here. These have some extra brushes, again, some travel pouches. This is a jewelry, like a travel jewelry box, and this is a fixing spray. So, yeah, this is the third drawer. And this is how it looks. I want to do more things. Like I said, I want to add a mirror, which I'll do eventually. But right now, this is functional, this works, and I'm really, really happy with it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you have any suggestions for me or anything else I can do. I just shot this makeup with a basic oxidized jewelry. I also have my bangles on. I love this makeup. Like a desi glam hits different. So pretty. And look at that eyeshadow. Do we like? Comment down below. I would hate to take it off. So pretty. I really like this one. This is the Foxtail Skin Radiance Mask. I'm using this shampoo today. I'm gonna just finish it up. It's just a little bit left. It's the L'Oreal Hyaluron Purifying Shampoo. Nothing extraordinary. It's just like a regular shampoo. I'm just gonna finish it. And I'm gonna use this one as my conditioner. It's the Dove Beautiful Curls Deep Moisture Miracle. I don't have curly hair, but this works wonderfully for straight hair as well. I really like this one. I'm saying bye to these curls today. My hair's been so greasy.